Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a video on a beautiful heritage property in Calcutta where I recently visited with my friends. It has great food, great decor, great service. So here's all you want to know about Calcutta Bungalow. Firstly, if you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you are old, I hope you have already subscribed. Do follow me on Instagram and come say hi. Calcutta Bungalow is a restored 1920s townhouse which has been beautifully renovated and redecorated, but while keeping the old world charm alive. Every corner has vintage vibes, and the insides are done up so beautifully that you will fall in love with this place. There are 6 rooms available to stay in, spread over the first floor and the second floor, overlooking the 2 courtyards. We opted for the Shahi Para room, which was on the second floor. The room is steeped in vintage vibes, as you can see, and you feel like you have been transported to another era altogether. Every little detail, from the vintage typewriter to the vintage switchboards, the beautiful windows, the gorgeous chandelier and the comfy bed, made this room a perfect choice for a night out. And not to forget the amazingly beautiful bathroom with a copper bathtub, which was one of the prime reasons why we chose this room in the first place. This place is a great option for a staycation with friends or family if you are looking for something in the heart of Calcutta without having to go too far. The common balconies overlook the courtyard below, and each landing is beautifully decorated with all antique and vintage decor. The dining room was cozy and has a long table which seats a lot of people at once. We had ordered for lunch of the Bengali meal, and the spread was sumptuous to say the least. You can look at all the amazing food, which was as mouth-watering in taste as it looks. In fact, we totally recommend the food at Calcutta Bungalow, both in taste and in portions and quality. We spent the day enjoying the beauty of the place, laughing, gossiping, and just having a good time with friends. Next morning, we woke up to another beautiful day in this gorgeous place. Had some amazing breakfast with fresh fruits, fresh coconut water and yummy food. And all in all, had a great stay at Calcutta Bungalow. Please like and share this video, comment down below if you want to know anything more about this property, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.